Hi students, so now I am going to give you the detailed subject-wise analysis of 2nd April second shift. So what we have seen is here you can see the overall difficulty level was moderate, and here I have also listed that from chemistry they have asked PC more, physical chemistry was tough and calculative, 8 to 9 questions from there, and OC plus PC, organic plus physical, was mixed, 4 to 5 statement based questions were there, 12th was more here, questions were balanced in case of chemistry, physics and maths. Here you can see from physics as well the options were quite close and calculation was there, and these are all the different chapters from where they have asked questions. For example, rotation, you can see central of mass, moment of inertia. They were also asked question from screw gauge, that is very unexpected. So now from maths you can see these are the chapters, and now if we go through, these are the biomolecules topics, and this is electrochemistry, DNF block, amines, they have asked 1 to 2 questions. From physics they have asked more questions based on this data, right? Now if I talk about the overall the paper was calculative, evenly distributed, simple language, closed options were there, guesswork was not possible, no out of syllabus questions, and all were moderate here. So you can expect around 99 percentile at 165 to 175, and we have seen that 45 to 50 questions was the average attempt of the students. So if you can see here, this is the total list of chapters and the number of questions, right, of maths, and this is of chemistry, and this is of physics, right? So you can take the screenshot of all of them. This will help you. This is the first screenshot. This is the chemistry screenshot that you can take here, and this is the math screenshot that you can take here. So now I'm going to give you the proper full detail action plan, right, for upcoming shifts. I'll go live at 8 p.m. and let's see what should be our strategy for the upcoming shift. And also let me know in the comment section when is your shift, when is your exam, and if you have given your exam maybe first shift or second shift, then tell me what are the number of marks that you are expecting here.